So that's what I really like about him. He's a really humble guy. So yeah, keep it up, Pratik.
I think that's a great thing.
This is how we worked.
Which is fantastic. You created another iconic character on Prime, and of course with the same team. When you do a character in Agni, which is more, real life, how does that, and your fans when they look at it, what can they expect first from this character, and second, where does this character fit in your body of work as well?
For me, it's quite a different part to play. If when we talk about Munna, that's a completely different world and character. But doing Agni was also, I mean, I really like it as an artist, but also it was a responsibility that whatever we are doing, we have to do it with with all our heart and just do it right. I mean, so it's one of those films where honestly, I mean, my character, yes, I really thoroughly enjoyed it, but to be part of that world was even more important for me. So I just wanted to be part of this film, to just represent what firefighters go through. Although I represent the police, but that's the whole banter in the film as well. But again, for me, it was more important to be part of this world.
Fantastic. So, thoughts? Yo. ठीक है
गुरुजी हैं, अब गुरुजी के बारे में क्या बोल रहे हैं? But what he said that he is playing super cop in the film, and that also brings a lot of conflict in my character and in the world of firefighters. The kind of conflicts that these two characters are having, these two different worlds are having, their point of view about the same incident is different because of their background, because of their training and everything, and that makes it even more interesting and intriguing. So the film में भी वही है, and that's more fun. That makes it enjoyable for the viewers. And हमारा पूरा banter जो फिल्म में चल भी रहा है वो भी वैसा ही है. So I guess it'll add up to it.
सही जो है वो आप दोनों के बीच में बैठी हुई हैं. मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, you work with so many people. You got a great body of work as well. How was it working with these two and of course the entire cast? If you could share.
I think I'm very fortunate to be a part of such amazing group of people, talented people. And जैसा कि आपने बोला, हम बीच में बैठी हूँ. मेरा अक्सर फिल्म में भी सैंडविच हो रखा है. I play his sister and his wife. So I think for somebody who goes out and works and has a risky job like this, it is very important for them to have a very peaceful delightful environment at home. So I think I play that part. I'm handling the domestic side, and मैं ये कहना चाहूँगी कि मैं अग्नि का फूल हूँ. So I'm very happy to be a pool of Agni.
Wow. That's a nice title you create for yourself. Sayami, I'd like to ask you, you play a firefighter. How did you prepare for the role, and what was the most rewarding thing when you played your character?
Firstly, good afternoon to everyone here, and thank you to the whole fire department for what they've done for our film. There's just something about the uniform, like just look at them.
Oh yeah.
So I think the first memory I have is of Farhan with Laksh, and it's always this thing of there's something about a person in the uniform. So when I heard about the script and I sat with Rahul, it was just very exciting, the whole process of becoming a firefighter, I feel. And even when the teaser came out, there were so many comments which said, "अरे ये फिल्मी मत बनाओ, female firefighter होते नहीं हैं." So our lack of knowledge that the department has so many female firefighters, and I have to say that I was very unaware with a lot of things that the fire department did as well. So I think this film has been a big learning. It's been great fun, as you can see the banter. And this is my second with Amazon, first with Excel, so it always will be special. First, second, thirds, they're all very special.
जितेंद्र भाई, आप काफी सीरियस लग रहे हैं. सर, मैं कह रहा हूँ जितेंद्र भाई, आप काफी सीरियस लग रहे हैं. तो
नहीं यार, सोच रहा हूँ, मतलब
मैं तो सर ये पूछ रहा था, कैसा रहा आपको इन सब के साथ काम करके? सीजन एक्टर है सर, देखो
बहुत ही मज़ा आया. लेकिन उससे पहले जाके मैं एक बात कहना चाहूँगा कि हमें बचपन से कुछ कहानियाँ सुनाई जाती हैं, है ना. तो विक्रम बेताल की कहानियाँ सुनाई जाती है, शूरता वीरता की कहानियाँ सुनाई जाती हैं. अगर छोटे बच्चे को कुछ काम निकलवाना होता है तो माँ बाप कहते हैं कि देख ले, शोर मत कर वरना पुलिस वाला आ जाएगा. कभी आज तक ये फिल्म मिलने से पहले तक, मतलब ये फिल्म जब मिली और मैंने इसको पढ़ा तो मुझे शर्म महसूस हुई इस चीज़ की कि बचपन से लेकर आज तक मुझे कभी मेरे माँ बाप ने, कभी मेरे घर वालों ने किसी फायर फाइटर की कहानी ही नहीं बताई थी। और ये कहानी जब मुझे ये मैंने पढ़ी और जब ये किरदार पढ़े तो ऑफ कोर्स एक्सेल प्रोड्यूस कर रही है ये फिल्म, राहुल लोलेकिया जैसे निर्देशक इसको डायरेक्ट कर रहे हैं और ये सारी कास्ट है। तो एज एन एक्टर आपको ये मौका लगता है कि ये बहुत अच्छा मौका है यार, इसमें काम करूँगा ना तो बहुत अच्छा कुछ हो जाएगा। इससे परे जाकर जब हम लोग वर्कशॉप के लिए गए ना, और जब वर्कशॉप किया, वर्कशॉप करते करते जब इनकी और कुछ इनके अनुभव सुने, एक्सपीरियंसेस सुने, उसके बाद ऐसा लगा कि यार ये करियर से परे, ये सिनेमा से परे, ये कहानी बहुत ज़रूरी है। जैसे कि मेरी बच्ची है, मेरी बच्ची को, आने वाली पीढ़ी को ये कहना बहुत ज़रूरी है कि ये लोग बहुत अहमियत रखते हैं। और फिर एक चीज़ मन में आई कि एक ही चीज़ हो, ये फिल्म देखने के बाद, जैसे हम लोग आर्मी का कोई जवान दिख जाता है या पुलिस वाला दिखता है तो हम लोग सलाम करते हैं, तो ये फिल्म देखने के बाद हर फायर फाइटर अगर दिख जाए रास्ते में तो उसको एक सैल्यूट करना चाहिए। तो ये दिल में ख्याल आया और फिर काम करते हुए तो बहुत अच्छी टीम थी है, तो